Hi everybody, how are you? It's Mary and this is Audrey.
Hi everyone.
And we're super stoked to be spending a couple of minutes with you talking about all of our tips and tricks on how to make an awesome Herbalife shake. So, thank you for buying our shake ebook and we're gonna get started. All right, Audrey, would you like to talk about blenders and ice?
Yes, so here at the shop we have super fancy commercial blenders. At home we have a Blend Tech, but one of our favorites is this little Magic Bullet. Super great, easy to clean, and great to travel. For ice and water, we use 10 to 12 ounces of water with about 3/4 cup of ice, and our ice here is a little bit different than what we have at home. We want you to know that not all ice is created equal, so you really need to play with how much water you're using versus ice. Just due to how much you like it.
You gotta be patient with water and ice in your shake game, so it's cool. All right, so let me talk to you about what is the core of our shakes. The first thing is our Herbalife Formula 1 Healthy Meal Replacement. So this is a full-on meal replacement in this beautiful canister of powder. You're gonna use 2 scoops of the Formula 1 in every shake that you make. Its partner in crime for your healthy shake is something called protein drink mix. You're gonna use 1 to 2 scoops of protein drink mix. What do you mean 1 to 2 scoops? At the shop, we make every shake with 2 scoops of Formula 1, always, and we use 1 scoop of our protein drink mix. That gives you 17 grams of protein inside your shake and makes it a full healthy meal. If you feel like you need a little bit more protein to run a little longer, you're just gonna add a 2nd scoop for 24 grams of protein, giving you something a little bit more substantial. Both are fantastic, both are beautiful, and it's just a matter of what you need for your own personal nutrition plan. So that's the story there on our 2 big things. And then as Audrey said, our 10 to 12 ounces of water, and then ice, 3/4 of a cup, half a cup, 1 cup, it all depends on the kind of ice that you have at home. So Audrey baby, would you like to talk about the kinds of things that we add in here at New Start?
Yeah, so we find these little Jello packets of pudding from the grocery store. I'm sure you could find them on Amazon. They're great just to add some more flavor. We also use skinny syrups that you can find a coupon to in the link in the book. And some of our favorites are white chocolate, cinnamon roll, salted caramel, and they are 0 calories, 0 sugar, and just super great flavor to add to your smoothies.
Skinny Mixes has tons of flavors, and the reason why we like to use these powders and these flavorings here is that it adds 0. It adds 0 to the shake, so you always know that you're getting the same nutrition with every shake that you get. But here's the deal. At home, you may not have powders and syrups, but you have actual food. And so like fruits and veggies, nut butters, this kind of thing. And so, for example, every day, literally for the last 10 years, my shake of the day is chocolate, peanut butter, and banana. That's what I have every day, usually half a banana. Sometimes I'll have it twice a day just because I love it so much. I know that's crazy, but we have customers who come in here and literally for years have had the same shake every day for lunch. It's true. The owner of the bike shop right next door, same shake every day. So in our book, we have a recipe for blueberry muffin shake, which calls for cookies and cream, Formula 1, vanilla, protein drink mix, a little white chocolate pudding powder because it makes it nice and creamy and fantastic. But at home, you might choose to add fresh blueberries or frozen blueberries, which is beautiful. Here at the shop, we add a blueberry flavoring. So when you can add fresh, I highly recommend you do. If you're using frozen fruits, you might want to change your ice content just a little. Some people like to add veggies to their shakes. Spinach is a beautiful thing to add because it kind of takes on the flavor of whatever you're putting it with. So say you're going to use some vanilla Formula 1, vanilla protein drink mix, spinach, fresh strawberries, and maybe even a little avocado for healthy fats. Regardless of what you add, some people like to add chia seeds, some people like to add oats, cashew butter, peanut butter, whatever it is. Just remember, you're adding calories, which is fine. You're adding protein, also fine. Healthy fats, no problem. Vitamins and minerals with these beautiful fruits and veggies, none of it is a problem. But just remember that you're changing the nutritional value when you start really adding a lot of stuff. And I highly recommend you just put it into an app like MyFitnessPal or something like that, so you can realize that your shake that started out at 150 calories might actually be 250 calories. It's all no problem. You just want to know what you're putting in your body. And the name of the game is being creative. Don't you agree?
I totally agree.
Yeah. We're creative here at the shop. Sometimes we're just like, what would it taste like if we did toffee with maple? And the crowd goes wild and we love it. It becomes a new flavor of the day. So have fun. Be patient with yourself. Experiment with ingredients, with flavorings. And by all means, send us an email if you have questions on what those flavorings are, or what other combinations can be, or whatever. But here's the thing. We have other Herbalife secret ingredients that are amazing to use in our shakes. Do you want to tell us a little bit about some of those, Audrey?
So some of our favorites are Prolosa Duo, which are fat burner.
Fat burner.
Some fiber, which fact is most people don't get as much fiber as they really need on a daily basis. This is Tropical Twist, but there are 3 different flavors to choose from.
Love fiber.
We also have collagen in a strawberry lemonade flavor, and these 2 are really great with the wild berry protein shake.
And maybe a little whipped cream and some coconut on top. You don't know.
We also have probiotic, which is great for your insides. Immunity Essentials and Best Defense, which is great for immunity boosting.
And immunity boosting is so important. We all know that. So, if you have any questions, either on Herbalife product or on how to combine some ingredients or to figure out the nutritional value of a shake that you're adding lots of stuff to, just email us, give us a text. We'd love to hear from you, and we would love even more to help you on your shake game. I think that's it. Can you think of anything else?
No, that's it.
All right. Enjoy. Thank you. We're grateful for you, and we look forward to catching up soon. Bye now.